Me know about sardine, mackerel, bully beef, chicken foot, chicken neck, chicken back. Nothing a waste, nothing a dash way.
Wagwan, what's great? Chef John Morris again, man, presenting to you how to prepare hash browns at home. So homemade hash browns, the real way. Hash brown is an American classic and Canadian classic just the same. It's the starch that we use in our breakfast. The ingredients are quite simple, but the flavor is amazing. Forward, let me show you what I want. The first thing you want to do is to have your egg wash ready. So I'm just going to beat 1 egg. Just going to add a tip of milk to that. About a tablespoon of milk. So now that's beaten properly, we're going to set that aside. Half of an onion. And this was already peeled and washed. Slice it like that. We're just going to dice that finely. Nice diced onions. Green onion. So here I have 4 potatoes that were already cooked. We just boil them in some salted water for about 15 to 20 minutes. They're not super soft, so we don't want them like a mashed potato consistency. We just want them enough so you can break them like that, right? We're going to go straight in with our diced vegetables. Some dried thyme, salt and pepper, and this is the taste. Blended cheese. I have here Parmesan cheese and mixed cheese. About 2 spoons of the egg in there to help bind everything together. We're just going to go straight in with our hands and crush these up. They don't have to be perfect like a mashed potato consistency, but I'll show you what it looks like when I'm done. You can also use a potato masher, or you can use a glove, but I don't like to use gloves because I'm allergic, so I try to wash my hands as clean as possible, and I work with my hands so the cleanup is even less. So you're looking for something like that. It's not perfectly mashed, you want that, so it's okay for you to have some chunks about that big here and there. I'm going to go in with an ice cream scoop. Get a generous portion in there, kind of stuff it down. Get a few of those. I'm doing this so that I have uniform sizes. Just going to go in with a bit of salt and pepper in the egg and a bit in the panko breadcrumb. About ½ teaspoon each. Mix that in. So you get the cakes, dip it in the egg. We mix the egg in the mixture to help bind it, and we also roll it in the mixture again so that when we put it in the breadcrumb, it sticks to it even better. Let's drop that in the breadcrumb and we'll coat all the sides. Just coat it right around. We're going to use our hands now to mold that into a nice cake. Get the sides, flatten that. We'll just put it in whatever shape you desire. Get it on there, press that in gently. Top the excess off, and there, a nice potato hash brown. I'm going to repeat this process until all your cakes are coated. And there you have it. They're all coated and ready to go. Just going to drop this in our deep fryer. We're on 350 degrees Fahrenheit and let them fry until golden brown for about 2 to 3 minutes. So forward, I'm going to show you how I go on. Shake it so they don't stick. Alright, now we're just going to pull those up and look at that, nice and golden brown all around. So there you have it, hash brown made easy here on Morris Time Cooking It. Once again, thank you very much for watching, and do remember to hit that subscribe button to stay up to date with our weekly postings. Until next time, safe travel upon the gravel, and go and big up on yourself.
Yeah, me see another dinner for later. But know you fast, girl, you never tell me. Cause any man can feed you. So that's why I always take me to the kitchen. Yeah, yeah, yeah.